Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name's Michaela, aka Moe Kickz, and today isn't going to be a tutorial, but I am going to be letting you guys watch the process of me making these Talavera inspired Air Force 1s, and also giving a few tips and tricks along the way. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I did off camera was prep my shoe. If you need to learn how to do that, I do have a tutorial that I'll link down below in the description, so you guys can go check that out. Now I'm going to go in with my stencil. So as you can see in the sketch at the top of the screen, I drew out what I want my stencil to look like. So all of the areas in the sketch that are black is what I had my Cricut machine cut out. So the idea is that when I lay these stencils onto my shoe while it's still white, then I can paint over it with any color, and then once I peel off the stencils when I'm done, the pattern will be white. This just cuts down the amount of time that it's going to take you to paint this on by hand, probably about 3 to 4 coats just to get your white solid. So now I'm just going in with transfer tape and squeegeeing on small sections of the stencil onto the shoe just to make sure that it fits correctly, and in case it doesn't, you can just peel it off and adjust it as needed. Now that I've explained to you guys what I'm doing with the stencils, I'm just going to go ahead and let the video play so you can see how I work. Pay attention to the bottom of the screen because I will be giving tips here and there, but for now just sit back and enjoy the video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments and I will try my best to answer all of them. Don't forget to tune into my next video where I'll be showing you guys how I draw mock-ups of my custom shoes using Procreate on my iPad.